Are you tired of constantly feeling sluggish and bloated? Do you want to learn the secrets to flushing out excess sugar from your body? Welcome to Sugar Flush Pro Reviews, the ultimate guide for beginners. In this video, we will provide you with all the information you need to kickstart your journey toward a healthier and more energetic lifestyle. Before diving into the sugar flush techniques, it's important to understand how sugar affects your body. Excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain, diabetes, heart disease, and other health issues. In this scene, we will explore the harmful effects of sugar and why it's crucial to reduce its consumption. Sugar can be sneaky, hiding in unexpected foods and beverages. In this scene, we will reveal common culprits of hidden sugar and provide tips on how to identify and minimize your intake. By being aware of hidden sugar sources, you can make smarter choices and take control of your sugar consumption. Now that you understand the negative impact of sugar and how to identify it, it's time to learn the effective sugar flush techniques. This scene will cover a variety of proven methods such as reducing processed foods, increasing fiber intake, and incorporating natural detoxifiers into your diet. These techniques will help you flush out sugar from your system and reset your body. In this scene, we will explore the numerous benefits of a sugar flush. From increased energy levels to improved mental clarity, a sugar flush can transform your overall well-being. We will also hear from individuals who have successfully completed a sugar flush and witnessed their inspiring stories of transformation. Transitioning into a low-sugar lifestyle can be challenging, but it's not impossible. This scene will provide you with helpful tips and strategies to maintain your progress beyond the sugar flush. With the right mindset and a few lifestyle adjustments, you can sustain a healthy, low-sugar lifestyle and enjoy long-term benefits. Congratulations on completing Sugar Flush Pro Reviews, the ultimate guide for beginners. You now have the knowledge and tools to embark on your sugar flush journey. Remember, it's not just about temporary changes, it's about making a lasting commitment to better health. Start today and experience the incredible benefits of a sugar-free life.